Hi, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix memory management errors in Windows 10. So typically there are three primary methods to fix this error. The first method is to take a system restart in a safe mode. Now why it is important or why it is required? When you boot your system in a safe mode, what happens is it will shut down or terminates the unrequired or unwanted processes that are running in the system, right? So now to run the system in a safe mode, we have to enable certain options in the operating system level. What you need to do is go to the run box. To invoke the run box, I have to press Windows plus R. Okay, in the run box, type a command msconfig msconfig. Press OK. Moment you press OK, you will see a box system configuration. Okay, in system configuration, you have to click boot option. In boot option, if you see here boot option, there are several options here. Now the safe boot option, which is already enabled in my system, you can uncheck it or check it. In this our case, we have to enable it, so I check the box. Okay, and by default the minimum is the option radio button that has been selected. Now to apply or to make this effective, you have to say apply and then press OK, right? So when you take a restart, your system will boot in a safe mode, and if at all there are some unwanted process running, it will terminate the process, right? So when you take a restart and when the system boots up again, just have a look or observe you are still getting the memory management error. If you're getting a memory management error again, so that ensures there was not a problem with the software as such, but there is a problem with some hardware of your system. And if it is resolved, that means there was some problem in your software application level that was causing this problem. So it stands resolved, right? Now, second method to solve the memory management error is to invoke a utility of Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool, which is specifically used to identify if there was some physical memory problem in your system. To do so, again I have to press invoke a run box, and by pressing Windows plus R key. Now I will type in a command mdsched. I press enter. Moment I press enter, you will get a prompt here whether we want to restart now and check for a problem, so I want, or check for the problem that next time I start my computer. So basis your need, you can select one of this option. When you do so, the system will take a restart, okay, and it will run a memory diagnostic tool, okay, and it will give you a report that will tell you if there was some problem with your system, right? So this is the kind of an output that you will observe when you run this memory diagnostic tool. Okay, if at all there is a problem, it will give you the test result, so that will indicate if you have any problem with your specifically with your RAM. If you identify some problem in the RAM, there is a time you have to replace or get your system repaired immediately, right? Now third option we have to see is that is through a system file checker command, that is SFC, commonly called as SFC/Scannow. That is a command. Now to run the command, we have to go to the command prompt. I type in cmd command prompt console, and I have to run as administrator, right? Once I run as administrator, okay, now I have to type a command like SFC space /Scannow. Okay, I press enter. Now this will run the command. It will run it will tell you how much it has progressed. Okay, now what is actually a system file checker command? It will tell you if there was some problem at the operating file system level. Okay, it will check for the integrity of the operating system files. There are some damaged files, there are some corrupted files. It will identify that and it will resolve or it will replace that file with the correct version. So it is found that if you run this command, it should resolve your problem, right? So to give you a sense, there is already I have already run this command in previously. So this is how it will tell you if it is 100% completed. It will tell you the verification 100% completed and the Windows resource protection did not find any integrity violations, right? So if all okay, this is what you should get. Okay, I say exit. The command which we have run in another console still run. So if you find this video useful, do give us a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.